You guys gotta watch the battle, y'all. No practicing. Oh, man, try to save your dark embers. Then you might not get through to the next round. You know what I mean? That beat. Whoa! Reverse! Yeah, that's so
Let's get it. Yeah, watch him in the face, yo. Look him in his eyes, yo. There you go. Nice. Woo! Not done. Woo!
Alright, judges on 3.